Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Terraria. Today gonna show you how to kill the queen bee in Terraria. Now let's check it out guys, because we're here in the bee hive. I'm sorry because I didn't watch you that. Where can you find it? Just find it in the what? Oh, queen bee, queen bee. Oh my, this is the queen bee. This is the queen bee, guys. Now let's kill this big guy. Okay. Hey, don't ever. Ah! No, man, my. No, I will not die. No, I will not die. This is my first time to kill you. Stay away, stay away, stay away from me. Yes! Stay away from my terror blades. Now we killed the queen bee, I thought I will die, but we kill it. Oh. Today is the day. I mean, you can find the beehive in when you see the blue rocks. Thank you for watching guys, hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. When you see the blue rocks, just go around it and you will see the beehive, just like this, the blue rocks. Thank you for watching guys.